How do you choose the best mobile banking experience? Is it about the lowest fees, the highest interest rates, or the most advanced features? Today, we're diving deep into the world of digital finance, pitting a traditional institution with a strong digital presence, Patriot Bank, against two mobile-first fintech giants, Varo and Chime. We're going to break down everything you need to know to decide which one is truly the best fit for your financial life in 2025. For years, traditional banks were the only game in town. You walked into a branch, waited in line, and dealt with tellers. Then came online banking, a convenient way to manage your money from home. But the real game changer has been mobile banking, putting a full-fledged financial institution right in your pocket. This shift has opened the door for innovative fintech companies to challenge the status quo, offering streamlined, often fee-free, experiences designed specifically for your smartphone. Patriot Bank represents the evolution of a traditional bank. They've embraced digital, offering robust mobile apps alongside their physical branches. This hybrid approach appeals to those who like the security of a brick-and-mortar presence but also crave digital convenience. Varo, on the other hand, is a completely online bank, FDIC insured on its own, offering a full suite of banking products without the overhead of physical locations. This allows them to focus on competitive rates and user-friendly digital tools. Chime, while not a bank itself but a financial technology company partnering with banks, has become a household name for its fee-free philosophy and early direct deposit features, appealing to a broad demographic looking for simplicity and speed. So, who comes out on top in this mobile banking showdown? Let's dissect them category by category. First up, account offerings and core features. All three provide fundamental checking and savings accounts, but they differ significantly in their nuances. Patriot Bank, being a traditional institution, offers a wider array of account types. Beyond standard checking and savings, they typically have money market accounts, certificates of deposit, CDs, and even specialized accounts like youth savings or health savings accounts, HSAs. Their mobile app allows for 24/7 account management, mobile check deposit, easy fund transfers, and bill payments. A standout feature is their debit card controls, enabling users to turn their card on off, set spending limits, and manage travel plans directly from the app. They also provide detailed transaction history and an ATM and branch locator. The convenience of being able to visit a physical branch for more complex transactions or in-person support is a significant draw for many. Varo keeps things streamlined. They offer a checking account and a high-yield savings account. Their focus is on simplicity and maximizing user benefits within a mobile-only environment. Key features include early direct deposit, get paid up to 2 days early, automatic savings tools like Save Your Pay, automatically move a percentage of each paycheck to savings, and Save Your Change, round up debit card purchases and stash the difference. Varo also provides a secured credit building card called Varo Believe, designed to help improve credit scores without interest or hard credit checks, and Varo Advance, which offers small cash advances with transparent fees. They boast real-time alerts and the ability to freeze/unfreeze your card directly in the app. Chime also offers a checking account and a high-yield savings account, similar to Varo, with a strong emphasis on fee avoidance. Their standout features include SpotMe, a fee-free overdraft service up to $200 for eligible members, and their Credit Builder secured Visa credit card, which helps build credit with no interest or annual fees. Chime also prides itself on early direct deposit, allowing users to get paid up to 2 days early. Their mobile app focuses on user-friendliness, with features like automatic savings roundups and real-time transaction alerts. They also offer MyPay cash advances for eligible users. When it comes to fees and interest rates, this is where the mobile-first banks often shine, but Patriot Bank can still be competitive, especially with higher balances or specific account types. Patriot Bank's fee structure is more typical of traditional banks. While they may offer some accounts with no monthly fees, many come with conditions for waiving fees, such as minimum daily balances or direct deposit requirements. Overdraft fees are also a possibility with traditional checking accounts. However, they do offer competitive interest rates on certain savings products and CDs, particularly for higher deposit tiers. For instance, some of their money market accounts or higher-tier savings accounts can offer decent APYs, and their CD rates can be attractive for those looking to lock in returns. Varo is renowned for its low fee structure. Their checking and savings accounts generally have no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, and no overdraft fees. Transactions that would lead to an overdraft are typically declined, or they offer a grace period. They also don't charge foreign transaction fees. Varo's high-yield savings account is a significant draw, offering a competitive APY, which can be as high as 5% APY on balances up to $5,000, with balances over that amount earning 2.5% APY, provided certain direct deposit requirements are met. The Varo Advance feature does come with flat fees depending on the advance amount, ranging from $1.60 to $40. Chime mirrors Varo's commitment to fee-free banking. They boast no monthly maintenance fees, no overdraft fees, thanks to SpotMe, and no foreign transaction fees. Their savings account also offers a competitive APY, with Chime Plus members, those with qualifying direct deposits, potentially earning up to 3.75% APY. Without Chime Plus, the APY is 1.25%. Chime's Credit Builder card also has no annual fees or interest charges. Both Varo and Chime utilize extensive fee-free ATM networks, Allpoint for Varo, and Allpoint/MoneyPass for Chime, giving Chime a slightly larger network. Cash deposits, while possible at retail locations like Green, usually incur a small fee with both Varo and Chime. Next, let's talk about user experience and mobile app. This is arguably the most crucial aspect when evaluating mobile banking options. Patriot Bank's mobile app is functional and provides the essential features for managing accounts on the go. Users can check balances, view transaction history, deposit checks, transfer funds, and pay bills. The card management features are a definite plus for security and control. While the app is generally well regarded for its reliability, it might not always have the sleek, modern interface or the highly integrated financial tools that mobile-first banks offer. Reviews often highlight its practicality rather than its innovative design. Varo's app is designed from the ground up for mobile users. It's known for its clean, intuitive interface and ease of navigation. The focus is on making banking simple and accessible. Users consistently praise its user-friendly design, seamless access to features like Varo Advance and Varo Believe, and real-time alerts. The app integrates their savings tools effectively, making it easy to automate savings. Overall, the Varo app aims to be a comprehensive financial hub for its users. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.